Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has plunged into the oversold area. Bitcoin has gained 0.8% in the last session. The CCI is receding and is currently oversold. The price of gold has gained 1.1% in the last session. The CCI has moved into the positive zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 0.8% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is sinking and is currently negative.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Gold futures head lower for a second straight session as the U.S. dollar stages a modest rebound from its lowest levels since 2018. The dollar slid against most currencies in choppy trading as investors looked ahead to a possible new COVID-19 U.S. stimulus deal and vaccines to fight the pandemic. MicroStrategy said it plans to sell up to $400 million in a convertible senior note sale that will fund yet more Bitcoin allocations.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Australian ANZ job advertisements will be released at 0:30 GMT. The UK Halifax House Price Index at 7:30 GMT, the Eurozone Centix Investor Confidence at 9:30 GMT, the US Consumer Credit at 20:00 GMT, the Japanese Current Account at 23:50 GMT, and the Japanese GDP at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.